So we're packing up my first box, which has my blender, this really nice Keurig actually that my dad bought at Christmas but doesn't like, so I'm taking it. And now it's time for me to choose which mugs I want from home. I love mugs, and actually a lot of these are mine, so I'm gonna clean out our cabinet. Not even all of them are in here, I gotta do the dishes. But yeah, choose the mugs I want to take with me and wrap them up in towels and put in the bin. Okay, so I just got this bin from our storage room that I brought back from college, and I emptied it out. I had like Halloween stuff in it, old notebooks, some kitchen stuff. So what I'm gonna do is bring the stuff that was the kitchen stuff downstairs to the bins I had already packed up with kitchen things. I find it's easier if you can to group your bins by like area, so bathroom, kitchen, closet, all of that. And then I'm gonna fill this one up, I think, with bathroom stuff. So I have some cleaning products already put in a bin. I have my Brita, which is kitchen, I guess, but we'll try to fit it in here, and yeah, we're gonna do that. But first, I guess I should maybe get a different bin because this one won't close, so that's not good. I texted Skylar I started packing today, and this was her response. Yeah, it's funny. Love you, Skylar. Okay, so day 2 of packing. I want to get a lot done today. Stuff that I don't need, my dad's help carrying, things like that. First off, if you're like, what the heck is this? I tried to make a little plan of what my room layout is going to be. They don't have the dimensions of my room on Belmont's website, actually, so I have no clue how big the room is. I'm just kind of guessing. This is not drawn to scale, but I'm just trying to figure out what kind of layout I want. So I actually think by the floor plan, it looks like I'm gonna have 2 windows in my bedroom because I'm on the corner, which is phenomenal, honestly, perfect for me with filming. So I think I want to put my bed here, loft my bed again, put this couch underneath it so I have a lot more space. Hamper, I'll have this little, that's my little green stool here. That's what I'm going off of. We'll completely see what happens when I move in, so stay tuned for the move-in vlog to see what we figure out doing. But anyway, right now I just started packing up my shoes, actually. So I love, this is honestly one of the best things you can buy if you have a lot of shoes and you want storage. It's from Dormify. I'll have it linked below. It is there, it's a seat, as you can see, but it's also cubbies for your shoes, and it allows you to have so many different shoes. So I already packed some. I'm not packing any boots or anything because I'll come back to my house before fall comes, so before it gets cool enough to wear boots. So I have a lot of extra space in here. So actually what I did is I put all my workout clothes in this organizer, which is from Container Store. I did a whole video with them. I'll link below as well. So I have all my workout clothes rolled into here, and I'm gonna try to fit it in this little pocket just to save space for when I'm moving. Honestly, guys, you can try to be as organized as possible when moving into college, but sometimes you just gotta fit random stuff wherever they'll go. So I fit a purse, some belts, my workout clothes, a book. Like the only coffee table book I'm bringing, last year I brought way too many coffee table books. I'm only bringing one this year. A fake plant, my desk lamp, and I'm gonna wrap my sweatshirt around this lamp to protect it a little bit more. And then I have one more pair of sneakers, my workout shoes, I'm gonna try to fit in here. Okay, I'm pretty proud with my breakfast this morning. I did some oatmeal with frozen berries and cinnamon on top, almond butter, and then like assorted seeds and grains, little pack from Trader Joe's. So we have an oat bowl, and then I'm watching Lily. She's awesome. And I'm watching her prep for college video to get me inspired to continue packing because we know it's going to be a long day. Okay, update. I worked out and took a shower because I was feeling super gross, and I think I'm getting sick, like my throat really hurts. So I took a bunch of vitamins. I just needed to sweat. So I did a 20-minute workout and showered, and just makes me feel better. And then I need to get some work done. So I made myself, I did have lunch, but then I just made myself a matcha latte and with oat milk. Look at me. And then I'm gonna record some podcasts and get some work done. So I'm here at my friend Emma's. She's wearing her Belmont shirt because she's moving in a day before me. But she's packing up, so I thought I would show you guys her setup, her
that I
method
don't have, that I just started when the camera turned on.
So she's got all her bins, all her stuff. Where did you get your couch? Because people ask me where I got my couch all the time.
I got mine at Target, and it's cheaper than what they had at Walmart or on like basically any website that I looked at. So like Amazon, Wish, literally anything.
Because mine Taylor got from Wayfair, and I bought it off of her.
Yeah, I checked Wayfair too, and mine was cheaper.
This is cheaper. Well, there you go.
Yeah, it was $99 at Target, and then they were having some sort of deal where you spent like so much money and you got so much off. So this only actually cost me $60.
Wow, look at that. Yeah. Nice. You got your bedding, your mirror. That's a nice mirror.
Yeah, we have to figure out how I'm gonna hang that. I think we're gonna do it with Velcro.
Yes, the Velcro command strips are the best for mirrors. Ours never fell.
Oh, I went to the Container Store.
Oh, yes, in Nashville.
Yes, they had the
Isn't it
perfect
so
size
fun?
thing that I needed for my little cubby that I got. So
Container Store. My video for that will be linked below because I already mentioned it.
Yep.
But Emma texted me, or video, whatever, Snapchatted me today that a girl in her like theater major group chat had my workbook, and Emma was like, I know.
I was like, oh my gosh, I know Hannah. I was like, let me just tell you, she's
so
awesome.
Funny. So thank you, Chloe, for purchasing the workbook. First off, that's amazing of you, and I'm excited to see you at Belmont. Another day, another time to pack. I hope it's okay that this vlog is literally so many days, but this is how packing goes. Like, I can't just pack my entire life in one day, one vlog. I just do little bits where I can. Okay, anyway, it's very late in the day. It is almost 3, and I got my nails done today. I went back to this cobalt blue that I got around the beach, and then I also stopped at Target, and I needed a new bin, and I wanted a few more different bowls. One of these cool like salad bowl things, like trendy LA stuff you put a huge salad in. I wanted one of those, so I just got one, and then I got one more bowl, but this one's like plastic, that one is glass, and I don't think I had any plates, so I also just got like this plain gray plate. These are super nice. They're plastic, but you can microwave them, and they're only like 79 cents, so those are good for dorms. And then I really think I needed one more big bin, so I picked up a bin. These things are expensive. It was like $15, but anyway, I mean, it's nice quality and I definitely need it. So I'm happy to have more space now, and I'm just gonna try to go hard with my iced coffee and get a lot of packing done. JK, I need gallon size bags. Okay guys, I just got an order in from Urban Outfitters with 2 back to school things, so I thought I would show you because I want to do a little unboxing because these are always fun. Urban Outfitters a few days ago was having a sale with 50% off certain like back to school items, select items. And the two things I've been wanting to get but just haven't taken the time to buy yet were on that list. And I was like, I can't pass up 50% off Urban Outfitters. So I got two clothing items. The first thing is just a pair of these black, what size are these? It says women's 7. These black slide-on shoes. I really needed like a casual sandal that I could slip on and go to class in, but would go with cute outfits because I just got like some Fila slides for just walking around running errands, but I wanted a cute pair to just like slide on and wear to class, and I would have not normally paid $40 for this. It actually was even less than that. It was I think these were $17, so a much better price. A very simple casual shoe. Next thing I'm really excited for. So I've been wanting a pair of joggers or just like lounge pants that are cool and hip, be one of the cool kids. And these Tommy Hilfiger ones are originally $50, so I got them for $25. And I think Alicia Marie was wearing these because I remember her saying like it has that look where it's like your underwear showing. I don't think it looks that bad. So yeah, it has like the band and then it says Tommy Hilfiger like above that. And then I got the gray color and then it says Tommy on the side and then that. So I got them in a medium. I want them to be baggy, so we'll see how a medium works. Maybe I should have gotten a large, but I think a large would have been too big. I am so excited to wear these tonight and then just to have these to throw on, like to go to the caf for dinner when I don't want to look cute but I want to look cool, you know, that whole look. Where I'm trying to do it. Okay, back to packing.
Hey guys, I'm doing this whole cut into editing little iPhoto, or what is it called, photo booth video. Okay, well, I basically finished up packing, but I didn't film it. It was just like craziness, just me throwing stuff in places, trying to be organized. But I am in my new dorm, so you're getting a little tiny sneak peek. But my next video will be my move-in vlog. And then I promise, like, if you're not here for the college videos, you probably wouldn't watch to the end of this video. So there will be other videos coming too, but a lot of college videos are coming because it's that season. Yeah, I am in the new dorm, so it was a success. I did forget some things that my mom will bring, and I have to do some more shopping today for decor and stuff. But stay tuned for move-in vlog. Okay, I will see you guys then.